I'm here to talk about what Scooch just sent for my review. This is the Moneymate case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, they come for different iPhones as well. Just choose the one that you have. But let's look at actually what this offering is, because it's a pretty cool case. It's a very special case. Right off the bat, I love the feel. Scooch makes incredibly resistant and drop protection case. I love that. You can drop this from 10 feet high. It will not affect the obviously the functioning and the reliability of your phone. It won't crack the screen. It's got a proper bumper. Let's get into it in a little bit closer look with a different camera angle. And here it is in all its glory. Look at this. So the reason why it's called the Moneymate is because you do have that slip right here where you can slip some money or cards or IDs. And the really cool thing is that you do have that thumb access. Of course, you'll be able to see the cards come out just a little bit, but they are protected and they're not going to slip out until you actually push with your thumb, which is a really nice thing. The actual case itself is very flexible. It's not too rigid, which I like. I like that on a phone as well. But I love the reinforcement. As you can see, really nice reinforcements all around the case. Let's put a phone in here and see exactly how it snugly fits. Look at that. So perfect, so easy. You've got a great bumper around the lenses, around the actual lens of the phone, which is a really good thing. So really nice protection. You're not going to get any nicks or kicks on that lens. Love the corners, the rounded edges and the rounded corners. That's really, really good. I love that Scooch always has this nice grip on both sides. So you look at that. Both sides have a really nice grip for really ease of use. Just holding the phone makes it, holding the case with that phone makes it really, really easy and very, very comfortable as well. But yeah, for me, big kicker here is the fact that you can actually 3 to 4 credit cards, 3 to 4 IDs you can put in here and just slip at your, whenever you want one. Whenever you want something out of here, no problem whatsoever. I'm sure I could actually put some money as well, so it could actually be also used as a money clip as well. Really nice matte black, which I love. I think it makes it look super, super slick. And again, I love the fact that it is snugly fit, as you can see. I'm just going to take it out. Love the fact that it's reinforced everywhere, so you know you've got that drop protection as well. Super secure by Scooch. The Moneymate. It's awesome.